How to recover deleted Telegram messages. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can recover permanently deleted Telegram messages using iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so if you have permanently deleted your Telegram account, the very first thing that you can do is just simply go and open up the Telegram application from your device. And from the home page, the very first thing that you can do from the chat section is just to scroll all the way to the very up, and he'll get you to the archive chat. You just need to tap on this one. If you find the deleted chat right here, you can actually swipe to the left and he'll get you to the unarchive. You can tap on this one in order to get back the chat to your chat list. But let's say you don't have the deleted chat right inside of the archive chat section, then this is pretty hard to recover the deleted messages for. But if you're using iPhone, then there's a still way that you can do. What you can open up the settings application from your iPhone and tap on this iCloud, the name banner at the very top right here. And then you can scroll down, tap on iCloud and tap on see all from here. And just scroll all the way to the very bottom and make sure that Telegram is toggled on. If it's toggled on, then all the data from the Telegram is synced with your iCloud. So you just need to get back from here and press and hold the Telegram, and you actually can tap on remove app and you can delete the app from here, and you just need to reinstall the app and re-log into your Telegram account, and this might sync your iCloud data, and hopefully you'll get the deleted message back to your Telegram. And these are the only ways that you can actually apply in order to get back your deleted Telegram messages. I hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.